Welcome back to Auto RYK, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact pickups of the year, the 2025 Ford Maverick. Whether you're looking for a versatile daily driver or a truck that can handle weekend adventures, the Maverick might just be the perfect fit. Let's break down what makes this compact pickup stand out in a crowded market. Starting with the design, the 2025 Ford Maverick continues to impress with its bold yet approachable look. The front fascia is dominated by Ford's signature grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a modern and aggressive stance. The Maverick is built on a unibody platform, giving it a smoother ride and more car-like handling than traditional body-on-frame trucks. But don't let that fool you. This truck is still tough enough for the job. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and tech-savvy cabin. Ford has equipped the Maverick with an 8-inch touchscreen featuring Sync 4, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as standard. The materials feel durable yet comfortable, perfect for both work and play. And if you're someone who loves customization, the Maverick offers a range of trim levels, from the base XL to the more luxurious Lariat, so you can tailor it to your needs. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Ford Maverick comes with two engine options. The base model is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine that produces 191 horsepower and gets an impressive 40 miles per gallon in the city. This makes the Maverick not only powerful, but also incredibly efficient, a rare combination in the truck world. If you need a bit more muscle, there's also a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine that cranks out 250 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 time in just under 7 seconds. And for those who like to tow, the Maverick has a max towing capacity of 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. One of the Maverick's standout features is its flex bed system. Ford has really thought this through, providing an innovative solution for cargo management. The bed offers customizable storage solutions, with slots for 2x4s, multiple tie-down points, and even built-in power outlets for those who need to power tools or gadgets on the go. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend camping trip or loading up supplies for a DIY project, the Maverick has you covered. And let's not forget about versatility. With available all-wheel drive, the Maverick is more than capable of handling light off-road trails, snowy conditions, or just those less-than-perfect city streets. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but it still offers enough ruggedness to tackle whatever you throw at it. So what's the bottom line? The 2025 Ford Maverick is a game-changer in the compact pickup segment. It blends the practicality of a truck with the drivability of a crossover, all while being incredibly fuel-efficient and affordably priced. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a versatile vehicle or someone who needs a reliable and efficient truck, Maverick is definitely worth a look. Thanks for tuning in to Auto RYK. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. See you next time.